Apple is going to launch iPad Pro 2022 lineup today on 18th of October as confirmed by Mark Germain. But thing to notice, there will be no event, instead Apple going to release this through a press release and put it on their website. There will be two models as 11 inches and 12.9 inches, but these two devices bring some of the significant performance update over the last year iPad with M1 chipset, because we're going to get an M2 chipset on the iPad Pro 2022, which we have seen on the MacBook. It still has an 8-core CPU, but it is 15% quicker than the M1 chip in the prior generation iPad Pro. It still has a 10-core GPU, but that it is now up to 35% faster than the prior iPad Pro. And it has an upgraded neural engine that can process things up to 40% quicker than the prior generation model. Another thing with an M2 chip has an all-new media engine and improved ISP, which means you're going to see improved media performance, things like transcoding probes video up to 3 times faster than the other models. The camera's gonna look better on these cameras, including improved low light performance. Then the new hover feature, which now detects the Apple Pencil, the second generation Apple Pencil, up to 12mm above the display, which is allow you to see a preview of the mark before you make it. This allows users to sketch and illustrate with even greater precision. So an example of this would be like if you're using Scribble. The text fields will automatically expand when that Apple Pencil gets near the screen, and handwriting will convert to text even faster, at least again all according to the Apple. The last big change is here to the iPad Pro in connectivity. Apple made the move to Wi-Fi 6E, so a Wi-Fi 6E on these updated models. And with that we're going to get a bunch of different benefits, like a tangible benefit, faster download speeds. And it's much faster than the prior models. Beyond Wi-Fi 6E, we have support for additional bands, additional countries, and everything of 5G support. So we have the sub-6 GHz millimeter wave, all that here. The price could be a make or break deal, where iPad Pro 2022 11 inches will cost you around $899 just like the previous year, and $1,099 on the 12.9 inches for entry level. But if you want to max out the specs, the price will go up to $2,199 for 2 TB version. As these prices offer the USA markets and European market might see a small jump increase in the prices. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.